I had a friend that is a tech wizard. We call him kind of Spock. Anyway, so he was sharing with us, and I said, what is going on here? Like, why are these photographs missing? And it turns out that it's actually a browser problem within some operating systems online. So, for example, you may have a Mac or you have a PC or whatever, but certain systems have certain operating systems, I guess you can say, within the thing. So when you're going to print from an actual browser, you get a blank photo. And some people have this and some people don't. So when you see in social media, people are like, oh, it doesn't happen to me. I don't know. You must be doing something wrong. Honey, you're not doing anything wrong. It's the programming. It's bigger than you are. So some people are having this issue, which yours truly was having the issue. So what is the solution? Really, it's really that easy. There is a solution. So solutions are us here on the Crochet Crowd. How do you do that is that when you go on to and download somebody's PDF, including us at the Crochet Crowd or our friends Yarn Inspirations or redheart.com, you want to download it, like save it right to your system. So do that. Okay, that's step number one. Step number two is to open that PDF in Adobe Acrobat. It's a free program, so you want to use Adobe Acrobat. If you don't have it on your system, just download the free version and you got it. So when you click on it, open with Adobe Acrobat, and then the pattern will come up. From that program, then you can print it, and everything in your world is just fine. I know. And that's all it is. So I don't know when it's going to change, but the problem has been a very long time. So that's how you solve the problem if your patterns are printing blanks, because nobody likes blanks.